You ready, babe? Go pick out a wrap color, or you're not going?
Yeah, I'm gonna go pick it out. You can stay here.
All right, you got this? Welcome back to another Joyride video. Laura's just walking away because she don't want to be on camera. We are gonna finally drop the GT500 off with Randy to go get the color changed. We don't even know what color we're getting, do we? We cannot do gray. Randy said we cannot do a gray or like a basic color.
Really? You could match my bus in the Camaro.
I could.
What if you made all your cars orange? You should get him to do the rusty one.
If I matched your bus, I would want it to have that rustic look too. That'd be cool. This is gonna be the last time you guys see the GT500, pretty much this color. I'm gonna bring Logan with me. He's at school right now. He doesn't know it, but we're gonna go pick him up from school and surprise him, and we're gonna take him with us and help pick out the color. 4 years of this wrap, and it's actually in really, really good condition. Even the seams, I'll show you guys the seams. It's not peeling. There's only one bad spot on it. I'll show you guys. It's right here. That's the only bad spot, and in 4 years, I think that's impressive. Go get gas, pick up the little man.
Love you.
We'll be good.
It's never gonna be this color again.
Nope, that's it. Unless I decide to go back.
Huh?
Unless I decide to go back.
Yeah.
All right.
What color is your car trailer gonna be? Huh?
Huh?
What?
Oh, I don't know.
I was gonna say you could match your car trailer.
I could. We're gonna go pick up little man. We'll have him here in the car just in a few minutes. Let me roll up these windows a little bit because we're getting all that wind sound. Normally I would trailer the car or something like this, but I was just like, you know what? It's only an hour and a half away. I don't even know when the last time I've taken this thing on. Perfect day for it. Got Logan with us. We just picked you up from school. You want to tell everybody where we're going? Wrap shop. Yep. The wrap shop. You gonna help me pick out a color?
Yeah. Can we do
Satin black hood?
or carbon fiber?
Yesterday, you were upset because you didn't think I was gonna bring you, weren't you? And he's got some cool cars there that I think you'll like. I think he's got a Lamborghini there. Have you ever seen a Lamborghini in person?
No, I think I've seen a McLaren before.
Yeah, you've seen a McLaren. Mommy told me to be very careful with you, bud.
Fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely.
Little man's hungry, and we both got kids' meals. I got a kid's meal too, bud. What do you think? I'm a big kid, right? There you go. We got our Happy Meals. Well, Chick-fil-A kids' meals.
Dad, look at the bag. It says the gray sedan.
A gray sedan.
Yeah.
They keep messing it up, don't they? This ain't 4 doors, is it?
No.
Who it is? Figure out where you're going?
Yeah, I got it. Well, we're heading down to Randy's shop, figuring out what color wrap we're going to do on the Shelby.
Ready?
going off every chance I get. I don't really take
Oh, look at this. He brought us all food.
Let me go take
What's going on?
I'll be right back.
So you're gonna give us a tour of the new shop? Not bad for 4 years.
We gotta haggle you to drive it from time to time, though.
I know.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness.
Oh, wow.
I know, right?
Dude, he's got like a, look at this. He's got a couch, a display, like showroom.
No, it's
Like, look at this. This is insane. Look at Randy, man. He looks all professional. Got a counter with LED lights, candy. Wow, holy crap. Yeah, dude, he definitely stepped up his game. This is nice.
hell of a scale, that's for sure.
Look at this. Got the nice floor. Is it touchscreen?
It's a touchscreen kiosk. That's really cool.
And here's all the 3M colors. Avery. Yeah, here's the gray that we had, but we had the gloss gray. Kind of like, dude, that's, yeah, man, this is nice. Oh, you've got, dang, you got all kinds of stuff. Dude, you stepped up your game from that other little place. Dude, this is nice. Is this a full wrap or?
No, this has PPF on it.
PPF?
Yeah, the clear bra.
Okay. Is that what a lot of people are doing now is the PPF?
Yeah.
Dude, I like this with the wide body.
Full body PPF.
Oh, that's a Z06?
Yeah, that's getting almost full body PPF. Basically the full front, quarter panels and doors and rockers.
Nice.
And this is getting correction and full body PPF. And then Lamborghini Performance is full body PPF as well.
Wow. What do you think, buddy? First time seeing a Lambo? Ooh. So they're doing the whole car like
Yeah,
that?
they're doing the whole car like that. It's big
That's
from 600 square feet to 3,300 square feet.
Oh yeah, this is nice. Dude, look, you even got space to make a upper level.
Yeah, so what I originally wanted was a mezzanine up there.
Yeah.
Right. So this is Randy's new car right here. Randy, what model Hyundai is that?
D63S.
See, I catch him with food in his mouth. Dude, this thing is nice. He just picked this up. This thing is sweet. You mind if I open the door? Look at the interior in this thing. Yeah. What do you think, buddy? You like the AMG? And this is my first time actually seeing one of these Z06s in person. This is goals one day.
Yeah?
What do you think?
I'm not much of a Lambo person.
Really?
I like Ferrari.
Dude, you driving around, you're building a fake Ferrari.
Yeah.
And you're like, I'm gonna call you out soon.
Oh yeah? Everyone's gonna be calling me out.
Yeah.
The point of that thing is to
Yeah.
attract all the attention.
You look at some colors?
Yeah, let's look at some colors.
I'm changing who I am.
I think we picked out a color, or I think Logan actually picked out the color, didn't you, buddy? He's gonna start this thing up. So Randy said it sounds better than the Lambo, so. Logan, he's gonna start the Z06, buddy. Dude, whew. Yeah, it does. Logan, this is what he wants. It's actually one of his most favorite cars. Look at that. It's got that forged carbon on the inside too. It's got all the suede, or what do they call it, the Alcantara or whatever.
Yeah.
It's suede.
What's the difference between Alcantara and suede?
It's the same, it's a fancy name.
Why did they change the name?
It's just a fancy name for suede.
Who knows? They just changed the name so they can charge more for it.
What do you think about that one? Which one did you like better, the purple one or the white one? Really? A bit louder.
It literally just
Free car wash.
Yeah, free car wash started downpouring right after we got here, just in time. Maybe not for Sam so much, but
Yeah, that's why I'm on street tires and not slicks.
we got the color picked out. Little man helped us pick out the color, and we're gonna unveil it, but we're gonna do it during the grand opening of the shop because Randy just opened this awesome new shop here. And it's a big upgrade from your last one. It's a huge upgrade. So if you guys have been on the channel for a while, you already know, you've already seen his old shop. So you guys know that this is a huge upgrade. And this place is like super nice. It's a lot nicer than I was expecting, because then when I showed up here, as soon as I walked in the lobby, I was like, wow, this place is nice. He's even got a couch in here. You want to be in the video? Nope. Nope. So it's Saturday, June 3rd. Come out here. We'll have the unveiling of the GT500. You're going to have, he was mentioning to me that you're going to have a lot of, what is it, prizes, raffles?
Yes, we're going to have free raffles, so you don't have to pay to enter. We're going to give away free full wrap, free PPF, free stripes, free paint correction and ceramic coating, and Modesta, free detailing, just a bunch of stuff. We're going to have DJs, food trucks. We're expected to have a little over 200 cars just from my customers.
That's going to be a big turnout. In the video description, I will post the Facebook event. So if there is any event updates or anything like that, they will keep you guys posted there on their Facebook page. And you guys also go check out Laid Not Spraid's Facebook and Instagram page for more updates. And you also see all the cool stuff that these guys do here. You want to show them the color that you picked out? Wait for June 3rd. It's official. I don't have the car now. It's getting wrapped. You're looking for some GT500 parts?
I'll take the
Craigslist. But people don't even use Craigslist anymore, do they?
No, not
Facebook
really.
Marketplace.
It's all
Kind of sad, Sam. It's kind of sad.
the end of the gray, right?
The gray. This is the last time we're gonna see the car gray. I'm gonna miss that color because it does look really good. It looks really good. And I know this is weird to say, I'm not even tired of that color either.
Yeah,
Like,
honestly.
when I look at it, I love that color. I'm not even tired of it. I actually really like it a lot.
Yeah.
So I'm actually kind of a little bit sad to change it, but I just wanted something different. So, and that's what we're gonna do. And Randy got his new shop, and we're basically gonna kind of do a little bit of a collab, do a new wrap, unveil it during his grand opening. And I'm super excited about that. So I hope to get to see a bunch of you guys over there. But in the meantime, we're gonna go hit the road in Sam's GT500. I think this is the first time I'm riding in yours.
I think so.
Yeah, and I love these seats.
Yeah.
I need to buckle up. And Randy did your gold stripes too.
Yep.
On this.
Yep.
So.
Quite a little while ago too.
And Logan actually picked out the color. The roads are wet, Sam.
Hey,
the roads are wet.
I have street tires.
Hey,
I'm not crazy like you driving on
You
slicks.
don't need to prove anything to me. The roads are wet. Hey. We've got precious cargo back here.
Unlike some people, I have traction.
Yeah, but I love this moonroof.
I know.
Dude.
It's mesmerizing with the rain on there.
Yeah, dude, that's nice.
It really is.
What is that? Knew it.
Maybe.
Hawaiian shirt, sunglasses,
Maybe a little bit.
mustache.